What if I told you that managing your money doesn't have to feel like a chore? That instead of dreading budget spreadsheets and expense tracking, you could actually enjoy gaining control over your finances? For many, the dream of effortless financial management remains just that, a dream. But what if the right tool could turn it into a reality? In a world overflowing with financial apps, two names frequently pop up when people are looking for a comprehensive money management solution: Pocketguard and Copilot. Both promise to simplify your financial life, but they take different approaches. Today, we're diving deep into what sets these two popular apps apart, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your unique financial journey. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. The core purpose of both Pocketguard and Copilot is to give you a clear, actionable view of your money. They connect to your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and other financial institutions to pull all your data into one centralized location. This aggregation is the first crucial step towards understanding where your money is going and where it's coming from. Now, let's talk about Pocketguard. Imagine an app that's designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind. Pocketguard's philosophy centers around the idea of how much you can spend. Its flagship feature, the In My Pocket calculation, takes your income, subtracts your bills, savings goals, and everyday necessities, and tells you exactly how much you have left to spend without compromising your financial health. This immediate, digestible figure is incredibly powerful for day-to-day spending decisions. Pocketguard excels at providing a quick snapshot of your finances, making it ideal for those who want to avoid overspending and prefer a more straightforward, almost traffic light approach to their budget. It's excellent for tracking recurring bills, setting up simple budgets, and getting alerts when you're nearing your spending limits. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to be easy to navigate, even for those new to financial apps. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Copilot. Think of Copilot as a sophisticated financial analyst in your pocket. While it also tracks your spending and helps with budgeting, its strength lies in its advanced categorization, detailed insights, and powerful customization options. Copilot leverages artificial intelligence to automatically categorize your transactions with remarkable accuracy, often learning your spending habits over time. This leads to a richer, more nuanced understanding of where your money is truly going. If you're someone who loves data, trends, and wants to drill down into specific spending habits, Copilot will feel right at home. It offers more robust reporting, allowing you to visualize your financial data in various ways, identify trends, and even project future spending. Copilot also places a strong emphasis on investment tracking, providing a more integrated view of your net worth across all asset classes, making it a favorite among those who are actively managing their investments alongside their everyday spending. Its design is sleek, modern, and aims to provide a more premium user experience, often appealing to tech-savvy individuals who appreciate a higher level of detail and control. So, how do you choose? If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-understand app that tells you exactly how much you can spend without getting bogged down in too much detail, Pocketguard is likely your champion. It's perfect for those who want a quick, at-a-glance view of their budget and want to prevent overspending on a day-to-day basis. However, if you're someone who thrives on data, desires deeper insights into your spending patterns, wants sophisticated categorization, and a comprehensive view of your entire financial portfolio, including investments, then Copilot will probably be a better fit. It offers a more robust analytical tool for those who want to truly master their money and understand every financial nuance. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your personal financial goals and how you prefer to interact with your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.